This video is for you if you want to see how I list very quickly on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. This is what I want to do when I want to get my listings done and I don't have a lot of time and I want to get them uploaded and ready to go. I use Nifty Ai. It's basically it can do a lot of things. What I'm going to show today is bulk listing on it, but it's a whole management system for your reselling business. It can share and send offers and catalog all of your stuff for you. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to bulk generate listings and show you how fast it is. So first thing we do is we just log in and we get to our main page, which is inventory on the left. When you log in, it'll kind of bring you to your personal dashboard. Then you just click on inventory over on the left right here. And then up on the corner, on the right corner, it says bulk generate. This is where you can generate a bunch of listings at once. And it'll save them to your draft, so you can slowly, if you want to put up like 50 and you were traveling or something, then you can slowly list them to the sites over a week. But I'm just going to do 5 to show you what it's like. And so here we go. First thing you do is you just start uploading your photos. And you can click, men's. If you want it on all the sites, I don't want certain things on Etsy because they're not vintage. And that's all you have to do for now. And then you add another item, item number 2. You don't worry about filling in any of the details yet. So you just go through, start adding this, pick men or women's, kids, and you can do unspecified and you can fill it in later or it will guess what it is for you. So item number 3, so this is just going to take, not very long. Woman's, add another item, item 4. So all you're doing is you're pulling your photos over if you have them saved in your downloads or in a folder. And item number 5, last item. And if you want to try this software, I have a code in my description. It's a link. It'll bring you right to Nifty Ai. You can do a 7-day free trial, and if you do continue along with it, my code will get you 15% off your first month, and that's right in my description box. But okay, so right now they're all here. You can put in, I don't know how many of these total lets you do. I don't think I've ever maxed it out. And then you generate 5 items. So you hit generate. Now it's going to use software to kind of write descriptions and write titles for you. You do need to go through and check and make sure it's how you want it to be phrased, if they got everything correct. But this is a way to get my listings up and then just quickly reviewing stuff. You can see it's already populating titles. So far it got the brands right. And it put in a code here, MJ20. I don't know if that's the code to the shirt. I'll look it up, but may delete something like that out of it. There we go. They're all saved in drafts right now. So what I can do when I want to get them listed is, I have to take them off Etsy, but if you need to take one on, like you accidentally clicked when you don't want it on, you can just get rid of it there. And then I can save it again as a draft, or I can list it. So you just click on each one, you kind of look over, okay, Lululemon, Swifty, Tech, long sleeve, type, top, stripe, athletic, workout, woman 6. So all of that is correct. I think I'll put the size a little bit. This is cropped too. So I'll probably put it, it's kind of hard to tell, but it is cropped. And this is a woman 6. And that's pretty much everything. So it put in the measurements here, but I put them in the photos, so you can check these because honestly, I don't see these. So sleeve length, it's guessing what the average sleeve length is, I think, on Swiftly. So I don't keep stuff like that in there because I don't give all those measurements in my photos. This was 15. So the one thing you want to check is if you do put measurements in there, you can either delete these out and keep them in your photos, or however you want to do it. So I'll just change this to 15. I think this one's right. Length is 24, and I'm pretty sure it was, no, actually, yeah, it was 20. So I can't always read the ruler quite right. And then change this from unisex to women's. T-shirt basic, tagless, slimming, breathable, crew neck. I'll put another word, crop here. And you know what I want to do is I want to say this is gray and black. So I think here I'll take out women's and put gray, black. Okay. And the other thing I'll add is just nice shape, no rips, no snags, no stains. And that's pretty much, you know, you just fill out then what do you want to price it at. Not sure where I want to price these up. I haven't comped it yet, but let's just put it at 29 for now. If you have a custom SKU, you can put that in. Let's see, my custom SKU was, I think it's like 1502. And then it's going to put some style tags, lightweight, neutral, preppy. Let's do some athletic keywords here. Activewear and athleisure. Okay, gray, black, shipping presets. I have set this up in Nifty. You can set up your shipping options for the weight of items if you need to. So this is under 10 ounces. So in my eBay store, it'll connect to it and know that it's a 10-ounce item. You can set that up there, but you don't have to. You can do it individually. So here it is on Poshmark. You can just check it over. Poshmark's almost always right. eBay, sometimes you have to fix it. So this is where the shipping is. So it took the 10 ounces from there and just automatically filled out my presets for this, which is nice because you don't have to do it. For some reason, it's putting under unisex adults. I'm just going to change that to women's. It's gray, and I think I'm going to have the main color actually be black because, no, actually I think gray, because it is a little more gray than black. So even though it fills that out, you need to check things, is kind of what I'm saying. And on eBay, I run a sale, so I'm actually going to price a little higher. I'm going to price it at 36 because that'll bring it down to like close to 29. Let's see, is there a place here where it does cropped? There it is, cropped. So I'm going to change that to cropped so people know it's got a shorter fit to it. And activewear fall, and then I'm going to take out this chest size because it's probably not right. Then mercari, it's a small, shipping address, and then packaging. Did it get the size right for eBay? Six. So yeah, it did. And then Depop, this is probably pretty correct. Parcel size. I'm just going to do ship on my own, and shipping's $5. It's not that much weight. And then it fills out the hashtags for you. Whatever tags you used up there, you can change these or add things if you want. And just see, it's pre-loved, it's modern. Okay, so it's good to list. So that's how quick it is to do these. You don't have to always have you can do them individually and just fill out the stuff yourself. But this is a way to get them all into your drafts. So here's my other 4 in my drafts, ready to work on them when I want to check them over and put them up. So it's easy as that, and that's the video. Don't forget, I have a link in the description if you want to give this software a try. It's really easy. They have an app you can use on the phone, or you can do it on your desktop. Thank you for watching.